Hey guys, welcome to Holy Hoopers. Today I'm going to be teaching you something that I like to call the infinite over the elbow toss. I've heard some people call this an intermediate move. I don't really think it is. It's fairly simple and it just takes a little bit of practice and understanding what the actual hand movement and where you're throwing the hoop exactly. So I hope you enjoy and are able to learn it. Okay, so here's what it looks like. You're just gonna start with the hoop in whatever hand. It really doesn't matter whether you're left or right-handed. That's the nice thing about this move. There are some moves that it matters a lot, but this is not one of them. So, come on. So it looks like this. So that's how that goes. I don't know if you could see that, but I hope you could. So basically, start in whatever hand you're most comfortable with, and that will make it easier to get started. The only real, and it's not even a prerequisite because it's so easy to learn, is just a basic over the elbow. And it's not like you're throwing it like that because then it doesn't go anywhere. You take it and it goes like right where your armpit is, just under and over that. So super simple. It's not going to be too hard to understand how that works. So, and then once you have that down, there is like a certain way you have to catch it after it goes over the elbow. Whoops. Anyways, after it goes over the elbow the first time, you cannot try to make it so that your hand position is in the exact same way it is when it's going like this. Because if you do that, you'll have to stop the hoop and then make it spin once, and then it can't. The only way to make it clean and just go straight over is if you catch it with your thumb pointing up, just like this. So it goes over the elbow and you catch it in whatever way is most comfortable with your thumb pointing up and your palm facing the opposite direction. So then it's really easy for it to just be able to go up and over. It's a lot more easy to control at that point. So, and it's just a continuing motion of that. It's really simple. And one more thing before I end this tutorial. You cannot throw the hoop over your elbow and expect it to just magically appear on this side. You do kind of have to reach for it and then continue and reach for it on each side. So instead of you trying to make it go the opposite direction, which is pretty much impossible, your opposite hand is going to have to reach for it. So it's not hard. It actually is. It's a really, really fun move. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to find me on Instagram and DM me. It's Patricia Flows. I will leave that in the description below. And if that's too much and you don't have Instagram, you can always just comment down below and ask me anything. I am very happy to answer any questions. I almost forgot. God bless.